Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Come to stand with your left hip closest to your chair and your left hand to the back of your chair for support. Shift your weight into your left foot. Adding a knee raise, begin to lift and lower through your right leg as you continue standing tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or adding a leg extension, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and set your right foot to the earth, moving into a side crunch variation. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, elbow to knee, lifting through your right leg. Continue with this movement, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Come to stand with your right hip closest to the chair and your right hand to the chair for support. Shift your weight into your right foot, adding a knee raise. Begin to lift and lower through your left leg as you continue standing tall. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your core engaged, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Release and set your left foot to the earth, moving into a side crunch variation. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your left leg, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Place your hands in line with your shoulders and your feet below your hips. Inhale, lift your heart forward and up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, feeling your neck long. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and come to take a seat. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.